something I'm doing very unusual. This is the dustbin box. So I'm just, it was cleaned yesterday, but I don't know why my gut feeling was there, something which is there. So if you see this was the cleanest thing that had by anyone in tiramisu, and the stains are still there. How nicely the tiramisu was had. Okay, I'll talk about this, why I'm taking this. Good morning all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing fit and healthy. So today it's a very serious topic that I wanted to discuss with you. जैसे कि आपने पहले देखा, मैं डस्टबिन के सामने गया और ये बॉक्स निकला तिरामिसू का. ओके, वाई आई रिमूव्ड इट. अभी इधर राइट साइड में या लेफ़्ट साइड में एक स्क्रीनशॉट आपको दिखाता हूँ. वो स्क्रीनशॉट आप 2 सेकेंड के लिए देखो, पढ़ो, एंड देन आई विल कम बैक with the technicality of it. Not me, but the person who made it. I'll get the chef and they will let you know the technicality of the exact tiramisu. Okay, see that screenshot.
Let's talk about tiramisu. What is tiramisu? Tiramisu is an Italian dessert which consists of a Savoiardi biscuit or a ladyfinger biscuit as you call it, and a coffee liquor syrup, soaking syrup, in which the Savoiardi biscuits are dipped and layered between mascarpone mousse. So is it eggless? Is it veg? No. Authentic tiramisu cannot be eggless as it contains egg. The Savoiardi biscuits also contains egg as well as the mascarpone mousse, and it contains rum or alcohol, coffee liquor, whatever you would like to add in it according to your preference. Yeah, that's about it.
And if we had veg tiramisu?
No, a tiramisu cannot be veg. If it is a veg tiramisu, then it's a vanilla sponge soaked in coffee and mascarpone cheese plus whipping cream based mousse. What we make here is a mascarpone custard, and then it is combined with whipping cream to give it a creamy texture.
Okay, thank you. I hope you got the technicality of tiramisu from chef. So we make it everything from scratch in our bakery. Nothing is made or brought or procured from outside, and nothing like that assembled. It's everything made from scratch. और एक पॉलिसी हम लोग जो करते हैं हमारे इसमें, वो है ज़ीरो वेस्टेज. हम लोग बल्क में प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनाते, क्योंकि हम लोग सिर्फ एक बैच बनाते हैं. वो हम लोग जल्द से जल्द सोल्ड आउट करते हैं, फिर दूसरा बैच बनाते हैं. हम लोग बल्क में बना के वो स्टोर करके 2-3 हफ्ता रख के फिर नहीं सेल करते. वी मेक श्योर वी मेक स्मॉल बैच, गुड बैच, क्वालिटी बैच, एंड देन वी सेल इट आउट. And this is the exact tiramisu box the client had. So if you see, there is a part, and no one eat tiramisu like this. Okay, if you are a customer, I am a customer, when I have the first bite and I feel if it was a bad product, I would not eat. I would complain it to the restaurant owner or to the cafe owner. Very clear, right? आप लोग पूरा बैठ के खाएंगे नहीं. I have the entire video of it. For a specific, I'll just show you. So this is my place, and if you see, there is a camera over there. There is a camera over there. Why it is kept? It is kept to know that how people are behaving in this. Okay, we want to maintain the decorum. Okay, and also we want to make sure whenever we get this type of feedback, we have to be very assured, like we are running an industry which is very competitive and very struggling also. So we have to be very, very, very careful whenever we do stuff. So that's why this all cameras are there. If you want, I can release that video, but I don't feel it, because that is something very private and very secure. If something comes to us, we will also put it down. So that is what I wanted to tell, कि yeah, if something is wrong, inform us. Don't have that entire thing. सब होने के बाद, इनफैक्ट वीडियो में वो बंदे का वाव निकला है when he tasted that first spoon of tiramisu. ओके, अगर मैं ब्लर करके आपको वो भी सुना सकता हूँ कि कैसा वाव करता हूँ, क्योंकि दिस कैमरा, it's a video and audio camera, because मैं बता रहा हूँ ना आपको, हम बहुत ही कॉम्पिटिटिव फील्ड में हैं और बहुत ही हमको केयरफुल रहना चाहिए ये फील्ड में whenever we do anything and we make sure everything goes perfectly. जबकि कल के वीडियो में आपको मैंने बताया है तंशी herself is an FSM officer which is food safety Mindra officer. So we won't play with our customer like that giving stale product. So just wanted to inform you this कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं. I know it was a very serious topic at the starting of the video, but going forward it would be an enjoyable video. Right now we are crafting a birthday cake for our customer. We will just show you what the exact thing has been done and hope so things happens like this, but you have to be also careful. आपको भी वो सतर्क रहना पड़ता है और इसका जवाब देना पड़ता है. You would take it as a feedback, but when it came as a threatening message at the end that I would provide a review on Google, I would bring a food influencer, no, we won't take it. We can also fight back to it. We do have proofs what we are serving and what you are doing. Okay, so yeah, give the feedback but don't threaten us. That's what I wanted to tell. Going forward, चलो vlog आगे देखते जाओ. Decadent chocolate cake, half kg. Last finishing touch is going by Anuraj. Today we are also making buns, rolls, brioche buns. So Tanshi is scaling, Jibin is making the shape. And we would be also taking a lecture which we had planned long back, but we are not getting the time to schedule the lecture. We will be doing it very soon. So one side frosting is going on, one side buns are preparing. We always try to put some extra touch on our cakes and celebrations so that it makes wonderful and a beautiful day for the person who is ordering the cake from Tan's Patisserie. Thank you. Fresh buns are out of the floor. Fresh rolls are out of the floor. Fresh buns. Done. This is a cold set cheesecake which we make only on special order for some client. They like it very much, so we make it for them. And we always top it with pure chocolate ganache, and this is complete chocolate, right?
Yes.
Yes. Chocolate tampering is going on. This is the band. And for what this band will be used? Feather is made.
Now we make another batch also. Guys, you all want to practice, you also practice. Chocolate garnish. Again, our chocolate cheddar.
This is how we make hot chocolate. First boil the milk and then what we put? This is Calaboo chocolate, not the one Horlicks or Bonvita or Premix or something like that. We use premium chocolate Calaboo. Now you would see the consistency of the hot chocolate, how the hot chocolate would be. तो ये आज कस्टमर का ऑर्डर आया तो आपको दिखा रहा हॉट चॉकलेट कैसा बनता है. तो कैलेबू डालते टाइम देखना अभी आप. ओके. So this is how the hot chocolate is been made. See now, full chocolate, nothing else. No Horlicks powder, no chocolate powder, no premix, anything. That is hot chocolate, original hot chocolate. Today entire video is of tiramisu. Tiramisu is out of stock and the client which came right now for having tiramisu, but we don't have tiramisu. It's out of stock. We would be making the fresh batch. We would be making the fresh batch tomorrow. That's what we tell. We make it fresh. We don't keep things like for 1 week, 2 weeks, or we don't make it bulk. That's what I was telling you at the initial of this vlog. ये होता है कि tiramisu is our best seller and we make sure we would never give bad tiramisu. That is our USP.
Yeah.